Silver, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get the correction, we can look for sell. By the way, if anyone get in the sell, I think there was no proper trade setup. This one is not the trade. The only things maybe they get trade based on this one or lower time frame. Anyway, we mentioned if we get any down move with the breakout of this low, we have to take out the trade or at least start to manage it. Anyway, I think no, as we can see, it's not moving. If anyone is in the trade, they should take out the trade. Okay, now we move to higher time frame based on daily chart. If we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the down move for the sell. This is what we get. And now we want to see whether there is a continuation or still we can expect this one returns, at least return to this high, reverse. Okay, since we can see the way this one is correcting. In this case, we move to lower time frame, forward chart. We want to see how we can trade it. First of all, as we can see the way is moving, maybe we can put the first of things whether we can put this one as a correction for this one, and as we can see the way is moving is like very corrective. And the second, if we put this one in relative to this, if we refer to MACD, we see the divergence, and if we refer to this one as well, we see the divergence. Now we want to see this. I mean, whatever we mentioned based on the divergence, just for our information, but the way is moving, if this one continue to correct similar to what we have here as a channel, mostly we can expect for the reversal. That means we should look for buy and we can expect the, at least retest this top. Okay, that's why we need to see what we get here. Right now we cannot make a decision, and if this one turn to a bigger correction, maybe we can look for one more drop. Okay, as we mentioned, still we can expect whatever we have here, we had here, can repeat. We get one up move, that means that times this one turn to a channel. And if this one turn to a channel as a corrective, any reversal, we will be more interested. Okay, that's why now if we want to look for sell, we need to be quite careful. Even if we put our trend line here, actually the trend line is indicative. We cannot rely on that. We cannot sell the breakout of this. The only thing is if we want to sell, we need to get the correction. All right, but right now we need to see how this one behave, because both direction can give us a trade. All right. And if we move to 1 hour chart, as you can see, based on 1 hour chart, also we don't have a trade setup. Anyway, we just follow this one. If we get the bigger correction, still we can look for continuation. And if we want to look for buy, we need to get the any sharp move to prove there is a reversal. Okay, or maybe we can put our line here. Can we put our line here as a channel? We wait for the breakout of this one. Also can be option. We wait for the breakout, correction for continuation. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is, I remove this. The only thing is we want to see how this one can behave. Okay, if we get the buy in terms of the risk and reward, can give us a better trade than sell. By the way, we don't have any trade. We just follow the chart and see how we can trade it. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.